Hello everyone, today we are making Nigerian meat pie. So for this recipe I used 4 cups all-purpose flour. I'll go ahead and sift the flour. It's very important to sift your flour before using it. We'll set that aside. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe: carrots, potatoes, beef, margarine, chopped onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until we're combined. Create a hole at the middle. Add 250 grams of cold margarine or butter. Please do not overmix. You don't overmix your dough when making Nigerian meat pie. This is the consistency I am looking for, breadcrumb like consistency. I will go ahead and add half cup of water. When you're adding water, you add it gradually, okay, just so you don't end up with a very soft dough. So as you can see guys, I'm adding a little bit of water again. So wrap it in a cling film. It's gonna be in the fridge for about 3 hours. I'm using beef for this recipe. You know, Nigerian meat pie, you have to use beef. So I'll just go ahead and use my food processor to blend the beef. Okay, I absolutely prefer this method because I know what I'm eating. Next, we are going to prepare our filling. Pour some vegetable oil in a pan. Add some chopped onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Add scotch bonnet pepper. Just so you know guys, I used 3 cups of homemade minced beef for this recipe. Add some seasoning cubes, some salt, add some water just so the beef cooks very well. So that's ground ginger right there, garlic granules, dried thyme. Go ahead and add some chopped potatoes, some chopped carrots, I added a little bit of salt again, you guys. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. The reason why I'm adding all-purpose flour is to thicken the filling. I'll just leave that to cool for about 20 minutes. So that is the dough. Okay, I just brought it out from the fridge. Brush some egg wash on the edge of the dough and then add the filling. And use a fork to seal up the edges. You guys, just so you know, we are going to be doing the oven method and air fry method, and I'm going to tell you guys the outcome, which one tastes better. Do they taste the same? Do I prefer the air fried one to the oven baked one, or I prefer both? In total, I have 7 pies, so I'll transfer 2 to my air fryer while the remaining 5 will go into the oven. Brush some egg wash on the pies. So I'm going to pop this into my preheated oven. So this is the one I'm going to transfer into my air fryer. Brush some egg wash on the pies. Transfer into an air fryer. You guys, look at that. Absolutely beautiful, guys. That's the air fried one. So let's check the oven baked one. So this is the air fried one. So let's taste this one and tell the difference. Trust me when I tell you they both taste absolutely delicious. Like, you can't really tell the difference, honestly. If you've not tried the air fried one before, please do try it sometime, okay? It tastes absolutely good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.